Corey goes to doctor. The rain was toy the box. Corey, it's your turn. Corey gets out of this. You want to watch the scare and get it Bob out. To make cookies, Corey. The doctor was Corey, we're glad you're this one.
Nice and slow, Anya, like you were doing before.
Even though it's hard. Take a deep breath, Corey. Okay. Did I get shot at Corey? Yes, says the doctor. We don't want you to get sick. Corey is very brave. He gets a balloon and a bunny. Right.
Good job, Corduroy.
Good job, Corey. Yes.
Very good, Anya. Do you want to show me the book? Talk to me about the book.
It has the back cover and the front cover and the spine.
And the spine?
Can I look at the movie?
Anya, wait, who writes the words of the book?
The author.
And who makes the pictures?
The illustrator.
Good. Say good night.
Can I?
Good night, Emma Bean.
Can I look at the movie? Can we look at the movie, please? Can we look at the movie?
Yes. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Oh, there's a ball in that picture. That's right. Say bye-bye.
Bye.